beautiful magnetic pen stands without any support and spins and writes. For making this model, you will need 3 ring magnets, a pen, foam rubber, bicycle spoke, and a press button. First, bend the end of the spoke into a square with the help of a plier. 2 magnets will rest on the square. Then bend the spoke twice at right angles as shown. Poke the long end of the spoke in a piece of rubber and then bend the protruding end of the spoke with the help of a pliers. Now, this will make the base and the stand of your spinning pen. Take 3 ring magnets. They'll be attracted to the pliers. Press fit a magnet on the back of the ball pen. The other 2 ring magnets must attract the pen magnet. Now stick a press button in the rubber foam with glue. You can see a depression in the press button. Place the 2 ring magnets on the top of the spoke. These magnets will attract the pen magnet. Place the pen tip in the button depression. Now spin the pen. The pen will stand erect and keep spinning. The top magnets will attract the pen magnet. Here is a close-up view of the standing spinning pen. The pen top will spin in the button with little friction. The wobble of the pen will be stabilized. Well, you can spin this pen, you can write with it, and then you can place it back in the stand. Now, fix a card fan plus refill assembly on the pen as shown. The refill will be inserted in the back of the pen. On placing the toy under a ceiling fan, the pen and the propeller will keep spinning perpetually. Here is a glorious close-up view.